Internet money.
Big war.
Internet money. Internet money. Internet money. Internet money. Internet money. Before we get started, this is a disclaimer. I am not your financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Do your due diligence and make sure you always protect your money. And without anything further ado, let's get into this video. People like me and you, if we're not a company, we're considered retail investors. In this book that I'm currently reading, it's called the Fibonacci book, but I'll show a picture of that before I get off. Smart money is these big companies. It basically is a company, and they have the ability to move the market. Just because a lot of people selling don't mean that the market gonna move a lot. But say for instance, if Walmart owns Bitcoin or Tesla owns Bitcoin, they have a large quantity of Bitcoin. Once they sell, you're gonna start seeing big capitulation candles. And basically capitulation is when it's just basically a big waterfall price action. And you'll see a lot of those in these current times. Welcome back for another video. It's been a while. Yes, it has been a while. But I've been busy. I've been grinding. I've just been focused on my personal life, getting things straight. And now that things are starting to get better, I want to bring to you my technical analysis for the crypto markets. And yes, I only invest in cryptocurrencies, but I started in stocks, and stocks were starting to move too slow. And basically I started seeing that cryptocurrencies were moving faster on a 24-hour basis. So you don't have to wait until 7, 8 o'clock in the morning and then you gotta stop trading at like 4 or 5 p.m. with cryptocurrency. You can trade cryptocurrency 24 hours a day. And that's why I wanna bring to you information that I'm finding out. And hopefully this reaches the right person. Hopefully this video gets a whole bunch of likes and I gain more subscribers from this video so I can reach more people to explain this and help the next person understand the opportunities that come along with investing in cryptocurrency. With that being said, let's move into some technical analysis. Okay, so here we have the total crypto market capitalization. And this white line here represents the trend line of support that we have been above since, I want to say, this day, where it slightly dropped below. Let's see, around this time, around the 19th of August in 2021. We haven't broken below that line. And now, from the looks, we have broken that support. Let's see how much of a percentage we have dropped since then. So I'm gonna make this go down there to this right here. We have dropped 70% from the all-time high of around $3 trillion in the total crypto market. Now we're sitting at about $884 billion in the whole crypto market. Here we have the Bitcoin USDT chart. And this box that you see, the purple lines, represents the top and the bottom for the total crypto market during this cycle. So what I wanted to do was Mark this purple line here at the bottom, which represents the day that the Bitcoin halving started. And this purple line at the top represents the current top, basically the all-time high. So we got this purple line, you got this green line, which is 75% from the bottom. This gray line is 50% from the bottom. And this little red line here represents the 25% from the bottom. We've broken below that 25% from the bottom. We've broken these trends. So we are currently trying to retest this support of 19,700. When we touch this line, we may have a bounce. And what this bounce may look like, something like this. Come down to there, hop up a little bit. We may go sideways and stuff like that. But once we break below, we may go down and try to retest other areas of support, which was areas of resistance. So this line I want to show you here, this may be a potential area of support right at 13,000. That may be the bottom for Bitcoin. Now keep in mind, I just want to let y'all know, if you haven't known, Bitcoin is the market mover. So whenever Bitcoin go down, everything gonna go down. All right. So be careful when you're investing in other alternate cryptocurrencies than Bitcoin. Ethereum is a safe investment. Bitcoin is a safe investment as well. This is the heat map for the crypto market. And you can find this at coin360.com. And the first largest alternate coin than Bitcoin is Ethereum. And that's what I'll talk about. Ethereum had an all-time high of what price? Let's see what that price was. Ethereum's all-time high price was around $4,800 to $4,900. And we are down, let's see, we are down about 76% from the all-time high at around $1,100. Every market cycle, the crypto market drops around 85 to 95% from its all-time high. So if we drop down 85, 95% from its all-time high, the price of Ethereum should go down to roughly like between $600, $800. So be looking out for that price. And around those prices, I will be scooping up more Ethereum if I have extra money on the side. Like every piece of money that I get, especially on Cash App, like somebody pay me like $20 here, $40 there, or anything, I'm gonna purchase Bitcoin with it, and I'm gonna send that Bitcoin to my cold storage. I'm gonna take my money off these exchanges, Coinbase, any mean of exchange where you can buy cryptocurrency. That's where you can buy it, but you don't want to hold it there because these exchanges are starting to lock up funds to avoid liquidation. What is liquidation? Liquidation is basically converting assets to cash. And in my definition, liquidation means taking money out the market, and the market gonna go down when we have big companies liquidating. Right now, owning Bitcoin is like going to Miami Beach in the 1920s and buying oceanfront properties. Think about the prices of them oceanfront properties right now. Millions of dollars. Take the time to give my partner a shout out. He reshared this post that he made on May the 28th. The man said, "Wisdom is knowledge applied. Where you are now, don't dictate your future. Keep going forward.
The value you seek is within. The Gas Up. And this is the brand, the Gas Up. I highly advise everybody who watching this video to go look them up on Facebook and purchase the merch.